Facing the dreaded Cyberpunk 2077 Ultra Plus mod Flatline crash can be incredibly frustrating. I've spent countless hours troubleshooting this exact problem, and I'm here to share the most effective solutions that truly work. This guide provides a comprehensive approach to finally resolve the Cyberpunk 2077 Ultra Plus mod Flatline crash, letting you enjoy Night City without interruption. First, let's talk about mod management. When you add mods, you are changing how the game works. If these changes clash with each other, or if a mod isn't installed exactly right, the game gets confused. It tries to do something it doesn't understand, and then it just stops, causing a flat line. This method is all about making sure your mods are installed perfectly and don't fight with each other so the game can run smoothly. Next, we address game integrity. The game relies on its original files to run correctly. Mods can sometimes corrupt these, or other system issues can damage them. When the game tries to access a broken or damaged file, it errors out and crashes. Verifying game files ensures all core game data is in perfect condition, providing a stable base for your modded experience. Then we look at your system and drivers. Modern games, especially modded ones, push your computer's parts to their limits. Outdated drivers for your graphics card or chipset can cause miscommunication between the game and your PC. Overheating can also make components unstable. This method ensures your computer's hardware and software are communicating efficiently and are fully prepared for the demands of the game. Finally, we consider in-game settings and compatibility. Even a powerful PC can struggle with specific settings combinations, especially when a mod adds more strain. Lowering graphics settings or changing display modes reduces the workload on your system, preventing it from being overwhelmed. Compatibility modes can also help the game run better on newer operating systems, avoiding conflicts that lead to crashes. Finding the right balance here is key to a stable game.